2015 WRX, now approximately 27,707 on the miles. Car's off. Squeak is getting worse. Took it to the dealership last time and they said that it was a squeak and there was no purpose to fix it. First to second seems slightly rough, and it just doesn't feel the same. Anyways, here is the noise. To show it's coming from outside the car, here's the other noise. It must be coming from underneath the intercooler where the bell housing is. Here this noise is. Also has the throwout bearing noise in the mornings, which is harder to capture because it only does it on cold starts. But there it is. Thanks.